अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। कुछ मज़ेदार सी बातें एक दफ़ा फिर से। ये सोशल मीडिया पे कोई देखता है मेरे फेस पे स्पॉट्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम ये नहीं सोचते क्यों आ रहे हैं।
Exactly.
कोई क्रीम बेच रहा है, कोई पैचेस बेच रहा है, हम फटाफट मंगवा लेते हैं।
मेरे parents को diabetes था, and then I had struggled to understand why they were going through all of that. And एक condition से एक condition, it just kept getting worse. And the insulin is the hormone which is like a gatekeeper for the house. So what is he going to do? After some time, imagine you're in the house and you're the gatekeeper. You're going to get fed up. What will you do? You lock the house.
मैं तो थप्पड़ मार के भगाऊं।
Exactly. Coffee in empty stomach is the worst thing. It's the worst way to start your day.
Oh my God.
You need to start with water, preferably warm, because that will kickstart all the organs.
आप जब नाश्ता करते हो, नाश्ता करो बादशाहों की तरह, यानी बादशाह जो बहुत अमीर होते हैं, आप उनकी तरह अच्छा नाश्ता करो। दोपहर में आ जाओ थोड़ा सा मिडिल क्लास की तरह और रात का खाना खाओ गरीबों की तरह।
It's not. See, this is what we've been told. Fast, slow का सवाल नहीं है.
अच्छा,
It's a question of whether you're insulin resistant or your body is in a state of insulin sensitivity.
okay.
This is something totally new. I mean, it's not essentially new. बहुत साल से है. Punjabi Health started because of my transformation with the help of the two products that I used.
Okay.
Okay, these are from a company called Unicity. It's been there for more than 30 years in the United States.
Wow.
It is known for its energy-giving properties. It is in fact had by the Argentinian football team. Lionel Messi, even he has it.
Okay.
So, yeah, but the unique property of Unimate is we extract it and filter it in the most powerful way for you. So none of its power is lost.
कहते हैं ना, मेरे शो की रस्म है, उसके बगैर तो आप जा नहीं सकते। One blood marker every woman should track.
Fasting insulin.
Network or knowledge, which compound faster?
Network.
Luxury to you means time or money?
I'll tell you time, because money can get you time, but time cannot get you money.
वालिद का साया चाहिए हमें, भाई का साथ चाहिए हमें, हस्बैंड का साथ चाहिए, बेटा चाहिए, ये सब चाहिए। लेकिन अगर आप खुद अपने पाँव पे खड़े हैं, जैसे कि तंजीला ने बोला, तो आपको इन सब के साथ की ज़रूरत है, इन सब के सहारे की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी। यू विल नॉट सी टू देयर हैंड्स कि अब मुझे इधर से क्या आएगा। आप जब खुद सेल्फ सफिशिएंट होंगे, then you will be more open to your all the relationships. Like आपको बाप से उसके साथ चलते हुए आप प्राउड फील करोगे, अपने भाई के साथ चलते हुए प्राउड फील करोगे. So you will be more confident. You will be not dependent on anyone. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। कुछ मज़ेदार सी बातें एक दफ़ा फिर से। आज मेरे साथ बहुत ही ख़ास खातून हैं, बहुत ही स्पेशल लेडी, जो कि आपको एक सॉल्यूशन के साथ साथ उसकी रूट कॉज भी बताती हैं कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से शुरू होती है। सिर्फ ये नहीं कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसका ये हल कर दो, ये स्टार्ट कहाँ से होती है, मसले मसाइल कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं, और हमें किसी भी चीज़ की रूट तक जाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। आजकल सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, हम लोग बस कहते हैं कि फटाफट सोल्यूशन बता दो, लेकिन ये नहीं सोचते कि सब कुछ स्टार्ट कैसे होता है। सो शी इज़ अ फेमस विद द नेम ऑफ हिजाबी हेल्थ एंड हर नेम इज़ तंजीला। अस्सलाम वालेकुम तंजीला।
Walaikum assalam, Shanila. Thank you so much for such an amazing introduction. Alhamdulillah. And whatever you said is so important, because हम लोग है ना, we just go by whatever is trendy,
Yes.
or whatever is being told is correct, but we don't take the time to understand why we are experiencing the problem.
Yes.
See, root cause is so important, and I'm so glad you understood this and you're highlighting this. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच। बिकॉज होता क्या है, अब जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे कोई देखता है मेरे फेस पे स्पॉट्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम ये नहीं सोचते क्यों आ रहे हैं।
Exactly.
कोई क्रीम बेच रहा है, कोई पैचेस बेच रहा है, हम फटाफट मंगवा लेते हैं, और फिर जब वर्क नहीं होता तो हम उसको बुरा भला कहते हैं
Exactly.
कि इसने झूठ बोला है, ये तो बस सोशल मीडिया है, ब्ला 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 ब्ला। लेकिन हम ये नहीं सोचते कि मेरे मुंह पे स्पॉट्स आ क्यों रहे हैं,
Yes.
रीजन क्या है।
Yes.
बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट ओनली एक्सटर्नल, इट्स
Exactly.
इंटरनल।
इंटरनल है, गट हेल्थ इंपॉर्टेंट है।
Yeah.
सो वेस्टर्न मेडिसिन में तो सिम्टोमेटिकली ट्रीट करते हैं, बिकॉज जो भी प्रॉब्लम है ये दवा लियो वो दवा लियो. सो इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. आपको समझना चाहिए कि what to intake and how it is affecting your body.
Yes.
So when I started Hijabi Health, this was my mission because I have struggled a lot to understand ki mera health, why was I struggling so much? Nobody was there to explain it to me. So मुझे खुद सीखना पड़ा, खुद struggle करना पड़ा. And मेरे parents को diabetes था, and then I have struggled to understand why they were going through all of that. And एक condition से एक condition, it just kept getting worse. So डॉक्टर्स के साथ बातचीत करने के लिए भी टू आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस आई डू नॉट हैव द इनफ नॉलेज. मुझे रिसर्च करना पड़ा बहुत सारे. एंड ऑब्वियसली हम डॉक्टर्स की नॉलेज तो नहीं है हमारे पास. जस्ट टू आस्क फॉर लाइक सेकेंड ओपिनियन या दूसरी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव अ बेसिक अमाउंट ऑफ नॉलेज.
बिल्कुल.
या सो इसीलिए एंड व्हेन आई हैड माय ओन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो देन आई थॉट आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग अमेजिंग. आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग डिफरेंट. आई स्टार्टेड मूविंग डिफरेंट. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. सो I thought, okay, now I should empower every other person with the same knowledge that I have learned by struggling.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा, एक चीज का जिक्र आप बहुत ज्यादा करती हैं, that is insulin resistance.
Exactly.
So first of all, what is this, and how we can control that?
Sure. Very important. So मुझे ये चीज़ बता भी नहीं था कि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस क्या है. इंसुलिन का मतलब था एक इंजेक्शन मेरे अम्मी ले रहे थे डायबिटीज़ के लिए. दैट वॉज माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इंसुलिन बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी. एंड आफ्टर आई लॉस्ट ऑल द वेट एंड आफ्टर माई हेल्थ स्टार्टेड इम्प्रूविंग आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग इनटू हाउ कम दिस इज हैपनिंग. मैं कुछ दवा नहीं ले रही हूँ, मैं आई एम नॉट गोइंग ऑन ए क्रेजी डाइट. सो क्या हो रहा है? देन आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग इनटू द साइंस बिहाइंड इट. And then I understood हमारे body में एक चीज़ है, एक master hormone called insulin. So imagine your body is a house, okay?
Yes.
And the insulin is the hormone which is like a gatekeeper for the house, एक security जैसा है. So whenever you take any food in, the gatekeeper's job is to take the food and store it in your body. Okay. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? So we wake up in the morning. We have breakfast.
Yes.
Okay. And then 11, 12 o'clock, we think snacking is very good, right? It's very healthy. That's what everybody says. Aap kuch le rahe. So throughout the day, you're having something, especially sugary, oily, or snack. You're not giving any rest at all. So your gatekeeper, your insulin, is constantly being bombarded with this. Okay. So he's like a messenger. So what is he going to do? After some time, imagine you're in the house and you're the gatekeeper. You're going to get fed up. What will you do? You will lock the house.
मैं तो थप्पड़ मार के भगाऊं.
Exactly. So this insulin is the gatekeeper. So what it says is, I've had enough. I cannot take this anymore. So what does it do? It starts releasing sugar into the bloodstream. It says, I cannot take this anymore. So आपके body में sugar the imbalance हो जाता है. So it starts getting stored as a fat in your liver. आपको PCOS आ जाता है, fatty liver आ जाता है, high blood pressure आता है, diabetes. These are all because this hormone is fed up of all the things that you're constantly pushing throughout the body.
God. So simple words में हम अपने साथ खुद ज्यादती करते हैं.
Exactly. And we've been told कि हमें 3 बार खाना चाहिए.
Yes.
Snacking करना चाहिए. We don't need it. Our bodies don't need it. हमारे ancestors, they never ate so much. They just ate when they felt hungry.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a modern food environment. Just for the benefit of the food manufacturers. वो लोग पैसे कमाने के लिए they've just say you have to have this kind of a cereal. It's fully sugar loaded. It's sugar free कहते हैं लोग. But how is it good for you? How do you know?
Yeah.
So सुबह उठते ही you drink coffee on an empty stomach. That is so bad for you. Coffee is the most sprayed plant in the world. Sprayed plant मतलब pesticides. It is, you're drinking that first thing in the morning. Your stomach does not need it.
Oh God. And people said कि कॉफी मेक मी अवेक.
यस.
मैं मतलब जोश आ जाता है, हम काम कर सकते हैं, आंखें खुल जाती हैं.
Yeah.
और मतलब वी आर इन अ वर्ल्ड नाउ.
Having coffee in empty stomach is the worst thing. It's the worst way to start your day.
Oh my God.
You need to start with water, preferably warm, because that will kickstart all the organs.
Yeah.
And just wait half an hour before you have at least, if you want to have coffee, just wait at least half an hour or 1 hour after you wake up. But there are so many things we've been told, especially by the diet industry, that this is what you need to eat and this often you need to eat.
Yes.
So my discovery was I started eating less, not essentially in terms of calories, but सिर्फ दिन में 2 बार ही खाती हूँ, ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करती हूँ. सुबह उठ के I just have my Unimate tea and that keeps me full. It gives me the energy which should come from breakfast. So इससे क्या होता है, when we wake up and we start eating, जब कुछ भी अंदर जाता है, your insulin again it's woken up.
So आप जब नाश्ता करते हो, नाश्ता करो बादशाहों की तरह, यानी बादशाह जो बहुत अमीर होते हैं, आप उनकी तरह अच्छा नाश्ता करो. दोपहर में आ जाओ थोड़ा सा मिडिल क्लास की तरह और रात का खाना खाओ गरीबों की तरह,
हम
फकीरों की तरह, कि रात का खाना आपने कम से कम खाना है. वो
सही है, रात का पार्ट सही है, बट बिकॉज आप सोने के 3-4 आवर पहले आपको खत्म करना चाहिए.
अच्छा, इन सारी चीजों से पहले व्हाट इज मेटाबॉलिज्म?
Metabolism is how fast how well your hormones are working in tandem.
So everybody have different metabolism.
Definitely.
So how we know कि मेरा metabolism fast है कि slow है?
It's not. See, this is what we've been told. Fast, slow का सवाल नहीं है.
अच्छा.
It's a question of whether you're insulin resistant or your body is in a state of insulin sensitivity.
Okay.
This is something totally new. I mean, it's not essentially new. बहुत साल से हैं, but the world has woken up to this concept now. We have now realized. So we've been told that metabolism is something like a race, you know, जिसको fast होता है, जिसको slow होता है. But इससे भी more important concept is your body is in a state of insulin resistance or insulin sensitivity. हमें sensitive state में लाना चाहिए. Body is insulin sensitive, your metabolism is like this.
Okay.
And when you're insulin resistant, it's sluggish, it's low, and that is where you start putting on weight and start experiencing all the problems. So the aim should be to get your body from a state of being insulin resistant to insulin sensitive. And the best way to do this is to practice intermittent fasting every single day.
Every single day?
Every single day. मैं 2 साल से कर रही हूँ.
Oh wow.
Alhamdulillah. I was somebody who had a very big appetite, hunger hormones, you know, they were just totally out of control because my insulin hormone, it was not behaving properly because I was constantly feeding it something. मुझे PCOS था, मुझे fatty liver था, my blood pressure was over the roof. I have been in hospital for a week during my pregnancy because I had gestational diabetes and I also had pre-eclampsia. So all this is root causes insulin resistance. It's very simple to address this. You just need to control. हम बोलते हैं ना, you have to count the calories in your food.
Yes.
If you can please shift that mindset to how often should I eat, then it is a complete game changer.
Yeah.
Skip 1 meal a day, have 2 meals, and do not snack in between. Snacking is the number one devil when it comes to insulin resistance. I'm sure you've experienced that as well, right? With your own weight loss journey. I remember you saying that you just stopped snacking and you saw such amazing results.
Yes. Because I actually, what I do, what I used to do, I snack a lot. और उसमें क्या होता था कि मुझे खाने के टाइम पे भूख नहीं लगती थी. और मैं स्नैकिंग, बस अच्छा स्नैकिंग कर लिया. अच्छा, चाय के साथ, चाय मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है.
Of course.
चाय, अच्छा चाय पी लेती हूँ, उसके साथ केक रस खा लिए, चाय के साथ निम्को खा ली, चाय के साथ समोसा खा लिया, एवरीथिंग विद चाय. सबसे पहले मैंने चाय कम की.
Excellent, because it's very toxic, you know, mixing milk with tea. And it's part of a culture, I do understand.
बिल्कुल.
But आपको समझना चाहिए कि whether this is good for you or bad for you. Our grandparents got away with it, okay? Our parents to an extent, but हमारे generation में I don't think it is advisable because हमारा modern food environment, we are not eating natural foods.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, everything is modified. Okay, everything has hidden sugars in it. Everything has something in it which is not good for your liver.
पहले तो होता था ना कि मौसमी फल आते थे, like एक वेदर आया तो उसके फ्रूट आए.
Exactly, seasonal
सब कुछ होता था. अब आपको हर सीजन में हर सब कुछ मिलता है, which is not natural.
Exactly.
So we are not getting natural things. अच्छा, हिजाबी हेल्थ में आप जिस तरह से आपने इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस का बताया, अब इसके साथ यू हैव समथिंग एल्स एज वेल विच हेल्प. to lose weight or control your appetite.
Exactly. So Hijabi Health started because of my transformation with the help of the 2 products that I used.
Okay.
Okay, these are from a company called Unicity. It's been there for more than 30 years in the United States.
Oh, wow.
And they launched in the UK a couple of years ago, and alhamdulillah, I was blessed to come across it, and I tried it, and that's how I got my transformation. So these are completely plant-based, and it's halal. It is the only set of products which are there on something called the PDR.net, which is nothing but where the physician themselves recommend it to their clients worldwide. So these products come under the category of supplements or nutraceutical. They're not pharmaceutical, they're nutraceutical. मतलब ये medicine नहीं है, ये drugs नहीं है. It's not like you have paracetamol and the headache goes away. Or, you just take a blood pressure medicine and then it comes instantly down. ये काम करने के लिए ज़रा टाइम चाहिए. So we say give us 90 days. Because समझिए आप 40 years का है आपका एज और आपको ये स्टेज पे आने आपको 20 साल हुआ या 10 years हुआ वजन बढ़ाने के लिए, और for you to get blood pressure, for you to get PCOS, it took you so many years. So give us time to reverse it.
Yes.
Which is 90 days. 90 days is the perfect time frame for you to address all the gut issues. हमारे जो भी problems है, insulin resistance है, जो भी है, हमारे gut से शुरू होता है.
हाँ, बट हम क्या करते हैं, कुछ चीज स्टार्ट करते हैं, दूसरे दिन स्केल पे खड़े हो जाते हैं.
Exactly.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. ये देखते ही नहीं कि ये सब कुछ जो हमने चढ़ाया अपने ऊपर कितनी देर में चढ़ाया.
It takes you years.
Years and years and years.
Yes.
So give a time.
Yes, and if you want to do it naturally, if you want to do it quickly, there are so many methods to do it. Please go ahead. But if you don't want to see any nasty side effects, you want to do it the right way, do it this way.
Yeah. So can we have a look what kind of products you have for that?
So it comes in a box like this.
Okay.
So it's delivered to you like this with a bottle. And this is the tea. It's called Unimate. This is what you have for breakfast. Okay. So this is made from a plant called Yerba Mate. It's grown in South America. It's a superfood plant. It is one of the most powerful plants that we have on this planet. It is known for its energy-giving properties. It is in fact had by the Argentinian football team. Lionel Messi, even he has it.
Okay.
So, but the unique property of Unimate is we extract it and filter it in the most powerful way for you. So none of its power is lost. It's very easy to use. इसको आपको sachets में आता है, खाली ये bottle में डाल के गर्म पानी में डाल के shake करके पीना है.
अच्छा, so this is a food replacement or just before the
just आपको सुबह ही उठते ही आप coffee, जो normally people have coffee, people have desi chai, or whatever it is for as a wake up
English
call, right?
English tea or anything, yeah,
whatever. So replace that with this, please. Replace your smoothies, replace your cereals.
Acha.
Nashta jo bhi hai. As a South Indian, I'm used to eating dosa, idli.
Acha. So this is a food supplement then?
Yeah, it's a food supplement.
Okay, so it's a food replacement.
Yeah, इसमें आपको उठते ही, for people like me, I used to struggle with hunger. As soon as I wake up, I need to eat something.
Acha.
So this keeps the hunger down. It literally gives me 3 to 4 times the amount of energy which coffee used to give me. But coffee से क्या होता था, I used to get jitters, anxiety. So for people who are sensitive to caffeine, this is a great alternative. It is really safe. You can have it even in pregnancy. I have pregnant women on this as well. So yeah, so it is really a plant which has been extracted. I have been to the factories in Las Vegas in the United States. I've seen how it is a very, very scientific way of producing this.
अच्छा.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
तो उसके बाद फिर क्या करेंगे?
Yeah. So we encourage you to fast for 16 hours every day. Okay, so समझिए आप 7 o'clock आपका dinner खत्म हो गया पहले दिन. So 12 hours from that is 7 a.m. in the morning. So another 4 hours from that is like around 12 noon, right? So this will help you to keep your fast going without you feeling hungry, without you feeling weak, without you feeling dizzy. मुझे ये सब होता था because I used to feel weak. जब आपका blood sugar balance बराबर नहीं है, तो ये सब symptoms you can experience. So when you're in an insulin resistant state, like when you have PCOS, when you have diabetes, pre-diabetes है आपको, then even in perimenopause, hormonal imbalances in women, you can experience these symptoms. I found intermittent fasting very difficult before this. मुझे बहुत जल्दी भूख लगती थी और मैं एक दिन के बाद छोड़ दूँगी. So you know that in order to achieve anything, you have to be consistent, right?
Yeah.
So this helps you with consistency. Har roz, it is made fasting so easy for me, alhamdulillah.
So till 11 o'clock,
Yeah.
like in the morning.
Yeah.
और उस वक्त फिर मैं उठ के ये पीऊंगी.
Yeah, आप ये पिएंगे.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
उसके बाद फिर लंच का.
ये आप you can keep sipping it throughout the day.
Okay.
So not a problem.
Okay.
Lunch के पहले. So this is balance. Okay.
Okay.
Balance is it's actually a fiber matrix. Okay, it is made up of soluble fiber, which is very important. हमें हमारे खाने में देसी खाना especially we lack fiber. Okay, so the daily recommended portion of fiber is 30 grams. हम लोग 10 भी नहीं खाते. Even though you have the best salads and everything, so this adds fiber to your meal. And scientifically, it's proven that when you start your meal with fiber, it reduces something called the glucose spikes. Okay. So हमें सारी जिंदगी we've always eaten carbs. हमारी देसी खाना it's very rich in carbs, very rich in sugar. Everything. So the spike is like this all the time. But with balance, it is reduced by 43%. Okay. So with time, with every meal that you're having, you're reducing your spike by 43%. So that is how the difference is made at the end of 3 months.
Oh, wow. So this is a food replacement or what?
It is no. Okay. Never replace food with anything. Food is food. आपको इसमें full food freedom है. Okay. You can eat whatever you want, obviously reasonably. But this is just a supplement which reduces the glucose spikes.
Okay, so we need to take it before the lunch?
Yeah, before lunch.
How we need to take it?
5 minutes के पहले.
How we need to take it?
Yes, in the same bottle.
Okay.
This needs to be taken at room temperature or cold water.
Okay.
Just put it in the bottle, shake it and have it. You've seen me take it all the time. Like wherever I go, you don't even have to have the bottle. If you're out at a restaurant or you're शादी में है, तो just take a glass of water, pour the sachet, mix it and drink it. And this really works because of that. Because आपको क्या खाना is what used to torture me all the time. What do I eat? What do I do not eat? Food shopping से लेके, like in a desi household, you know, we cook for the entire family. Everybody has different requirements. बच्चे के लिए खाना करना पड़ता है. So I found it very difficult to be disciplined on my own. You know, temptation जो हो जाता है. So this gave me food discipline in a very easy way.
और छोटे बच्चों के साथ हम एक और चीज क्या करते हैं, उन्होंने जो भी छोड़ा खा लिया.
Exactly.
जो भी छोड़ा खा लिया.
Yes.
अपना भी खा लिया, उनका भी खा लिया, बस खाए गए.
और बचपन से ना we've been brought up like, you know, you have to finish your plates.
Yes. वो तो करनी चाहिए, लेकिन फिर डालना ही उतना चाहिए.
Exactly.
हाँ.
No, the social conditioning is also there, na? Because sometimes portion control, we were never thought about it. In the food, the order in which you eat the food is so important. Always start your meal with fiber first. उसके बाद protein. उसके बाद good fats. और last में carbs.
और हम सबसे पहले रोटी उठाते हैं, चावल उठाते हैं,
पूरा मिक्स करके खाते हैं. मजा आता है, but it's like, you know, it's just not good for you.
Yeah.
That's not ideal. And for me, portion control became very easy because we have a hadith, just eat 1/3 of your stomach, right?
Yeah.
The next should be air and then the rest of it should be water. So 1/3, I found it very, because जब आपको insulin resistance है, hunger pangs ज़्यादा रहता है, PCOS है, the reason for obesity, the weight gain is you cannot control your hunger.
Yeah.
This really, it coats the lining of the stomach. The food gets ingested in, and it also expands in your stomach, so you don't feel so hungry. It fills your stomach naturally. इसमें full जो भी है पूरे naturally है, plant based है. It has got the vitamins and minerals that your body needs.
ठीक है. अब ये हो गया. उसके बाद हमने खाना खा लिया. और खाना हमारी कोई टाइम ब्रैकेट है जिसमें हमने खाना खाना है?
Yes. After you have this within 1 hour.
Okay.
Otherwise,
no, I'm saying like between breakfast and lunch, should we have any gap?
ये ब्रेकफास्ट तो आपको यूनिमाटे हो गया
11 आपने 11 o'clock तक ले लिया बिकॉज आपके 16 hours हो गए एंड उसके बाद हमें कितनी देर के बाद लंच करना है
आप 11 o'clock 12 o'clock खोल सकते हो आपका फास्ट
yes that's we're gonna do with that
yes
so 7 o'clock when we wake up we'll just take that the first thing which you show us उसके बाद फिर हमारा आ जाता है lunch या breakfast whatever you want that we can have that first meal of the day उससे पहले हमने ये balance लेना है उसके बाद हम अपना जो भी first meal of the day है वो करेंगे उसके बाद क्या होगा
उसके बाद please do not snack okay so your body can go through without eating for the next 4 hours or 4.5 hours trust me because this will keep you full because you've had fiber first you've not had such a massive spike in your glucose aapko energy crash nahi hoga because we always feel we want to eat something again at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Because you've had a massive slump in your energy this will ensure that energy slump does not happen that's when you feel like you have something sweet aapko namkeen salty all this happens because we've not eaten properly because you control the glucose spike so well your cravings will disappear with time okay so 4.5 hours later onwards you can have your next meal of the day
okay and which is going to be before 7 o'clock
try to finish it like people I have people who can go for like couple of days just on these products 24-hour fast 48 hours fast 72 hours fast is so recommended
wow
yes because
2-3 दिन कुछ खाएंगे ही नहीं
no this is more than enough
अच्छा
because we don't need that's what I'm trying to say we have been told that you need to eat so much
वरना तो मर ही जाएंगे हम अगर ना खाया तो
that is our conditioning
yes that's what I'm saying
but it is not true you'll be surprised in fact आपको जो energy आएगा at the end of a 72-hour fast you will be like a new person
okay
no coffee no Red Bull no desi chai will give you the kind of energy which you get at the end of a fast
That's great. अच्छा अब हम आ जाते हैं एक और चीज़ which I saw हिजाबी हेल्थ के साथ साथ हिजाबी वेल्थ
इंशाल्लाह
What is that?
That is actually where it's like my baby because that just come entirely out of my experience. Okay, because my personal life struggles, my personal career, and how I wanted my life to be, hijabi wealth is a result of that. Because I'm a person who has always had a corporate career, 9 to 5 tha mera kaam, and I loved it. I loved being in banking. I have been in IT, but I've also been through infertility for 10 years. And I finally had my child when I was 38 years old. And I still worked for a year when she was a new baby. So I would feed her 3 times in the night. I would go for work. And I did not feel very happy about it because I was always thinking there should be something that I can do which makes me prioritize my family. And so there were situations where I could not pray at work or I could not take days off during important days for us like for Eid or during Ramadan. So I was always looking for solutions where my income stream is coming from a business model which is meant for me as a woman, as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter or various other roles that we play as a woman. Because as women, we are told that it's so important for you to hustle, just like a man. This is completely okay for a man. He can wake up in the morning, he can go to work and come back. The food is ready, everything is there. Whose responsibility is it? I'm talking about a traditional, traditional household. Obviously, things are changing, but that's still the expectation at the end of the day.
Obviously.
Especially within the South Asian community. So, it just did not feel fair. Because I was somebody who would give 100% at my work and then I come back home, no rest. I have to give 200% again because I have a younger baby. I cannot say I'm stop being your mother today because I don't feel very well.
Yeah, it's a 24/7 responsibility.
Exactly. So
why is this so difficult? It felt unfair. So I was always looking for things and something to do which revolves, so that I can prioritize her and I can prioritize Medine as well. And when I came across this and I wanted to spread the message of health, the metabolic health, my transformation, and I wanted to bring it to others in the market, I realized that network marketing is an amazing business model for women especially. Because as women, right, we are nurturers. We build relationships naturally.
Yeah.
Okay, we collaborate beautifully.
Bilkul.
We uplift each other. We are running a family, okay? That is so difficult. So we run communities. So why can't we do something when we come together in a beautiful way and still help people change their lives for the better? So network marketing is the business model which ticked all the boxes for me. Because मैं घर से काम कर सकती हूँ. I have time freedom.
Yes.
I can choose my hours of work. I can choose to be a mom today. I can choose to be a business owner tomorrow. The next day I could choose to be something else.
Yes.
Because I own my time. I am not taking permission from somebody else to do what I want.
Oh, yes. You're not working for anyone.
Exactly. Especially when you're a mother. For me, I could not even take time off in order to be a mother. I've been through IVF treatments. मुझे permission लेना पड़ा जाके, to go to the clinic, to get my injections done. Even to have a baby, I needed to take permission, which felt ridiculous. So this gives you time freedom, location freedom, and of course financial freedom. So see, when you go work for somebody, right, you have a cap. ये आपकी salary बन जाती है. So network marketing offers such an amazing opportunity, especially as a woman, especially as a Muslim woman.
Yes.
Because we do not want to compromise on our faith. Time pe namaz padna hai. So how can you do that when you're working for somebody else? And I absolutely hated taking permission, planning months ahead. How do we know what's going to happen when you have a young baby? You have to take time off. And then being in IT, there are times when the projects do not finish on time. You have to do overtime.
अभी जैसे रमजान आता है,
Exactly.
तो अब जैसे रोजे छोटे होते जा रहे हैं,
Yes.
4:30, 4:45 रोजा खुल जाएगा.
Yes.
तो हम ऑफिस में
कैसे
मुश्किल
आ
से
सकते हैं?
खजूर और पानी कर सकेंगे और कुछ नहीं.
Yes. और रमजान में we come together as a family, right? हमारा holidays मिलता है Christmas के time, not when we need it.
Yes.
So this has not just ticked all the boxes for me. It has elevated my life to such an extent, alhamdulillah. Like I finally feel कि I'm living my life to the best as a Muslim, alhamdulillah. Even though it's taken me 19 years to come to this stage, just because of a career change, just because I decided to do this as an entrepreneur, especially as a network marketer. It's so ideal, alhamdulillah. And I want other women to experience this for themselves. I want to teach what this is all about. I want to explain the opportunity because iske piche there's a lot of misconceptions. Some people have done it wrong. Some people have very bad opinion about it because understanding nahi hai.
Yeah.
So I just want to do it my way, where I teach you what this is. I give you evidence. I give you proof. I invite you to ask me questions and I'll explain. So that is why I created this space.
Oh, that's really good.
This is also about, for me, as part of my personal journey, I do not want women to feel trapped. Okay? Like me, I had a career, but there are some women who want to start something.
Yes.
They don't know where to go, what to start. They don't have the capital to start. Like for me, I don't have any special talent. Okay, I'm not very artistic. मुझे cakes बनाने नहीं आते, makeup करना नहीं आता है, clothes design. I don't have any special talent, but I still wanted to do something from home and start a business. So for women like me, this is great because you already have a product which works, which is going to transform lives. It is guaranteed.
Yeah.
And it is scientifically proven and it is safe. So just start spreading the message. So I have so many people giving me duas, just telling me you have changed my life for the better. Alhamdulillah, which I never got in my corporate career. At the end of the month, fat salary, of course, it's changed my life then. But
और pressure कितना होता है?
Pressure होता है. Fulfillment नहीं था मुझे. I'm always a person who likes to make a difference. Deep thinker, sometimes bordering on overthinking, but still, the satisfaction I get from this is absolutely like nothing else. So that is what keeps me going, and I will never stop doing this, inshallah. And I want other women to see for themselves how this can change your life. Please do not feel trapped. Don't go into overthinking. Some women are trapped in relationships.
Yes.
They can't get out because they don't have their own source of income.
Yeah.
And that is very sad. I have kind of been there, but I don't want this for anybody else. So which is why I've started the space so that I can teach you how this is done.
So they can be hijabi wealthy as well.
Exactly. You don't have to be, this is what
hijabi,
I want to say.
yeah.
You don't have to be hijabi. You don't even have to be Muslim. You just have to be a woman. In fact, I have
that is your umbrella.
Yes.
Where you welcome everyone.
Everyone. In fact, I have male business partners too. But I'm naturally passionate about helping women because I'm obviously a woman and I've had my own struggles, and I understand how is it for another woman to feel the same way, and I don't want her to be there. I want her to be in the position I am today, and I've got the tools and the systems, alhamdulillah, to help you.
Inshallah. So now I have a rapid fire round for
Sure,
you.
go on.
As कहते हैं ना, मेरे शो की रस्म है, उसके बगैर तो आप जा नहीं सकते.
Looking forward to it. Bring it on.
Bring it on.
Yeah.
Okay. So biggest sign of insulin resistance women ignore.
Fatigue, cravings, belly fat, mood swings.
Wow. One habit that improve metabolic health the fastest.
Intermittent fasting.
Most overrated health trend right now.
GLP-1 injections.
Oh, wow. Okay. One blood marker every woman should track.
Fasting insulin.
Supplements or lifestyle, which matter more?
I would say lifestyle.
Okay. Fasting, a powerful tool or misunderstood trend?
Powerful tool.
PCOS, lifestyle condition or genetic destiny?
Lifestyle.
Stress or sugar, which damage hormone more?
Both.
Both. Okay. Healing require discipline or patience?
Patience.
One food woman should stop fearing.
Sugar and carbs. Because you do not have to eliminate sugar and carbs. You just have to reduce the spikes which happen as a result of that.
Bilkul. Wealth start with mindset or skill set?
Both.
Both. Both is important.
Yes.
Network or knowledge, which compound faster?
Network.
Passive income, true or false?
Mostly true.
Okay. One mistake women make when building networks?
Very good question. I think women just expect a lot without giving. You have seen me, I believe in genuinely giving myself 200%.
Yes.
I don't expect anything from you because I genuinely resonate with you or genuinely like you. So if you want something back, learn to give first.
Yes. We need it most.
Yes.
Relationship capital or social media following?
Relationship capital.
Health before hustle, yes or no?
Yes.
Luxury to you means time or money?
I'll tell you time because money can get you time, but time cannot get you money.
You are right. Hijabi woman in business, advantage or challenge?
Advantage?
One belief woman must release to grow?
You are unstoppable. Especially as a Muslim woman, you need to be very delusional as to where you can get because we are talking directly to our Creator every single day. Be delusional with your duas. Do not limit yourself. आप किस चीज से भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं, किस से भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जो चाहे, whatever you want, just ask Allah Ta'ala. He will give it to you.
बिल्कुल सही कह रही.
So do not limit yourselves.
One word for the future of women.
You have the power to change the generational patterns, to change the society, uplift the society. You have all the 8 gates of Jannah open for you. So you have the ultimate power. Even though we've been told that we are the lesser through social conditioning, through cultural beliefs. But that is not the case. Realize your power and become a better wife, better mother, better daughter, better daughter-in-law.
Inshallah. Before you go, do you want to say anything?
I think the three most important constituents of any woman's life is her health, her wealth situation, and her relationship. So my experience has been that I've got something which can completely transform your health very easily, naturally, and without struggling. And I can offer you a vehicle, a platform, which gives you the independent source of income that every single woman must have in her life.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how amazing your father is, how great your husband is, you never know what's going to happen.
Yes.
So you should be on your own 2 feet at every single point of your life. And it is your duty. Take this as your number one responsibility and see how different your life is.
You are absolutely right. और इसके साथ मैं अपने देखने वालों से थोड़ी सी बात करना चाहूँगी कि देखिए हम हमेशा ये होता है कि हमारे सर पे कोई हो, ठीक है, हमें वालिद का साया चाहिए, हमें भाई का साथ चाहिए, हमें हस्बैंड का साथ चाहिए, बेटा चाहिए, ये सब चाहिए. लेकिन अगर आप खुद अपने पाँव पे खड़े हैं, जैसे कि तंजीला ने बोला, तो आपको इन सबके साथ की ज़रूरत है, इन सबके सहारे की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. यू विल नॉट सी टू देयर हैंड्स कि अब मुझे इधर से क्या आएगा. आप जब खुद सेल्फ सफिशिएंट होंगे, देन यू विल बी मोर ओपन टू योर ऑल द रिलेशनशिप्स. लाइक आपको बाप से उसके साथ चलते हुए आप प्राउड फील करोगे, अपने भाई के साथ चलते हुए प्राउड फील करोगे, अपने हस्बैंड का आप साथ दे रहे होगे, उसका बच्चों को पालने में, घर को चलाने में, हर चीज़ में. सो यू विल बी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू विल बी नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन. यही सारा आज का कहते हैं ना कि पूरी बातों का निचोड़, तंजीला को यहाँ बुलाने का मकसद यही था कि आप ख़वातीन किसी से कम नहीं हैं. हमने सड़कों पे मोर्चे लेके नहीं निकलने कि मुझे आज़ादी चाहिए, मुझे कपड़ों की आज़ादी चाहिए, मुझे दुपट्टे उतारने. नो, हमारी जो एक पावर होनी चाहिए वो ये होनी चाहिए कि हम अपने पाँव पे खड़े हैं. वी आर सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली रीज़न to call Tanzila on our show and to give you information. So, मेरे सारे podcast is all about information. It's all about uplifting each another. And I hope कि आप लोगों को समझ आई होगी कि हम आपसे क्या बात करना चाह रहे हैं. और अगर कुछ क्लियर नहीं हुआ तो तंजीला इधर हैं. I'm mentioning all her social media IDs, which is on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. You can ask question to her. She will explain you. She will arrange the personal meeting with you as well if you need any help, if you want to start anything, or if you want to be a part of hijabi health and wealth. So she's there. तो इंशाल्लाह दोबारा आएंगे एक नए गेस्ट के साथ, एक नए मौजू के साथ और बहुत सी मज़ेदार सी बातों के साथ. तो अभी तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.